Okay, no worries. Is it accordion?
Hey guys, so we are on a boat tour called Prague Boats. $250 for the three of us, pretty reasonable price. So we are doing like a river boat tour to see like castles and like monuments and stuff. But anyways, we are going to be seeing some cool stuff. Like what? How is that bubbling? Like fountains or something. But yeah, I just got a hot chocolate. Let me taste it. Oh, very nice, very condensed, milky. But that's how I like it. But anyways, guys, we'll bring you along in this boat tour, and I'll see you guys soon.
The adult desserts. This city looks like. What's the name of the river we're on? Please tell me to make new friends with me.
Dave and Lucy have been in business for a long time. They have a great business and a great team. After years of hard work, they wanted to increase their property portfolio with their dream home. But being self-employed, they found their bank's lending criteria very restricted. They sought Toowoomba's Edge Lending, the business lending experts. Edge Lending thinks outside the box and were able to secure a facility for Dave and Lucy to purchase the property. Edge Lending, making business lending easier.